Welcome to the WP Training Kit, video number 14, How to Add Media to the WordPress Library and into your posts. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about the dashboard's media option. We'll see step-by-step how to add media into the library and into your posts. So let's get started. So on the WordPress dashboard, go to the Media option on the left bar and click on it. So here it is showing that the media library is empty. You can add new files from this button at the top from this left bar, Add New option. It opens the Upload page. You can drag and drop files here or select files. It's a multi-file uploader and maximum upload size is 32 megabytes. Let's find some images. Search free royalty-free images on Google. Here are various sites that offer free royalty-free images. We will choose this Pixabay. You can see there are so many images here. Choose whichever one you like. Here it has a free download option. You can select the size, then download. Now back on the Upload page, click on this Select Files button and select your image to upload. Now it's uploaded successfully, and you can also drop files to upload here. Let's download one more image. You can also drag and drop the files directly to upload. Drop inside this box to upload. Otherwise, the file will not be uploaded. So now it's uploaded successfully, and you can see it in the list. Go back to the library. Your uploaded images are shown here. Select any one, and on the right, the additional options are available. You can edit image title, caption, description, or you can also edit the image itself. Click on this Edit Image button. Here are the options to crop, rotate anti-clockwise, clockwise, turning upside down, vertical flipping. For cropping, select the button, then set the frame, and choose Save. Now the image is cropped. You can add additional details and save it. Go back to the library by closing this panel. Now to insert images directly in the post, go to the Post and choose to Add New. Here you can see on top, Add Media button to add your media files. Let's download some more images, and we are going to add them directly into our posts. So it's downloaded. Choose this Add Media button, and on the Upload panel, drop or select files to upload. After uploading, click on this Insert into Post button. The image is successfully inserted. Select it, and you can change its alignment from these buttons. Click on this Edit Image button. You can change its size, its alignment, and then click on the Update button. So now the changes have been implemented, and save them with this Save Draft button. When you open Media, you can see that the new directly uploaded image has been added in the library automatically. We can see it here. So that's pretty much everything with the Media option. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to explore everything about the dashboard's Pages option. We'll see step-by-step how to edit existing pages and add new pages. See you in the next video tutorial.